Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm streaming 3 a.m. in the morning. You might be able to hear the chicken make sounds in the background. I forgot what the. Anyways. So, yeah, um, I just turned on my laptop. Just change my account. Yeah, my brain's half cooked, and let me just prepare myself a coffee, a cup of, whatever. So earlier, let me just. So earlier I lost. Wait just a second. So earlier, like I lost. I lost. So anyways, here I am, 3 a.m. in the morning. Oh yeah, and I also burned myself while trying to cook corned beef. There's like at least 7 burn marks on both of my arms right now. And I just binge watch Rick and Morty. I just started watching last Wednesday, and I'm like, what? Season 6 now. So anyway, features, we have Oop. It's not. This looks good. It's Lua-ish. This this is not good. And yeah, and there's also oh wait, ito to. There's also contextual parameters now. Contextual variables. Just a second. Let me just take a sip of my coffee. Yeah, that's cool. So basically, you can define a function and then add square brackets and basically provide implicit arguments. So if this isn't in the local scope, so even if I like go var name, not my name, and then go greet, that won't work. So if I go to this, oops, and then make, and then run Myla, let me just, oh yeah, forgot. Yep, there it is, it errors out, as you can see. Function greet requires the contextual value name. So what you need to do is declare contextual by doing contextual. I still need to fix the LSP for this. And as you can see, now it works. So basically, that makes it possible to perhaps like go as opaque, define our own stuff, and then provide an allocator here. Basically, I will add a feature where you can just do that and then I don't know, make it optional and just sets it to null. Actually, I can do that right now. I'm going crazy, guys. I am going crazy because all you need to do is modify call with. Oh, here it is call function, not call with. Call function, and this is the logic. Yep, there it is. So bind params, and here is set contextual values. So now do that. If oh wait, yeah, we can just go char is optional. Oops. Optional. So now if let me just take another sip. There's nothing like coffee. 3 a.m. in the morning with 0 hours of sleep. So, how to strip a character in C? I know there's a way. Oh wait, you can just, yeah, I can, oh, why didn't I just think of that? Oh, my skin does not look good at all. It does not look good. There's still patches of oil on my t-shirt. Anyways, value, so basically we need to just go P. Oh my god, it itches. Ow, fudge. PI Oh, ti sterling pi minus 1, so that's the last character. That is optional is equal to 1, and we need to set, oh, there we go, just p I, and just grab this and set it to 0. We just lose a single bit, it's fine. So char star name is equal to star dup myla star dup pi. So now let's see, various star res, because we need to free name, and then return res, and then here we still need to free name. So that should not be a problem anymore. We don't mutate anything, although it will be slightly slower for, it's fine, who cares. So scheiße, let me just take another sip of my coffee. So let's see, where is it, param list, okay, we allocate that. Oh no, I made sure we freed name. We do. Ne, ちょっと待って。Didn't I just... Weird. I know I hand... Yep, there it is. So what is the problem? The problem with us? So let's see. What's the problem now? Param list. Context list. What are you telling me? Something, so we can go here and go allocate her, and then go here and go something, and it's still missing that one variable, which actually is just okay, it's just designed to be just null if it's not set. What? Was zum Teufel? So let's see. We know. 3 4 no, it's in 2817. Okay, let's see. So if it's I see, why not just break? That's all you. Oh, poor you. So it's just, there you go. Du bist halt so scheiße. What happened? I didn't. Son of a. What did I change? Absolutely nothing. So this doesn't change anything. So what is the problem here? Well then, if it's let it. Oh, you. We break out of the loop, but we also go I++. See? Fixed it. So anyways, yeah, now it works. So the problem is object. Boom. Why am I programming with one hand? there we go. Yeah, see. And then if I don't provide anything, it's just that. And I need to provide like specific values. I can't really do like that, which I would love to do. The only problem is I don't know how to implement it, and it might go to. There is always dictionaries, I guess. That could work. Actually, that could work. Wow, how did I not think of that? Anyways, where was I? I'm bored. Now we can do that. We can now go a poll. Oh! I just thought of something. Just a second. I just thought of something. So dictionaries, right? We can like create our own allocators, right? So for our allocator, yeah, we need to expose row allocation though, which is no problem. And also memset and memcopy, it's not a problem. And also the referencing. Yay. I guess we don't need to reference things actually because that would make things complicated. I don't know. I am planning to add like a special variable type that starts with a $, and this gets stored in it will only exist for like a singular thread, so there's only gonna be 26 per scope. So basically it's fast. It's basically of one axis, so it's not gonna look for A, it's gonna look for it in an array. So that becomes 0 and stuff. You get the point. You get 32 if I'm correct. What? No, 50. What? Huh? How did it pick? Oh no, it is 52. Yeah. So anyways, where was I? So anyway, why did I delete that code? I shouldn't have deleted that code. What the hell? I am definitely in need of stuff. So basically have allocators, and it's basically just a dictionary with a bunch of methods. So basically have alloc, and basically it's just something that returns null. This is that is a valid pointer, although it's not actually a pointer. It's more of a sentinel value. It doesn't exist as an opaque pointer to null, literally. Although I want to do that, like cnull, basically. So anyways, alloc and then free, basically, and then do some stuff with it, which we don't do anything right now. Then also, I don't know, yeah, basically that's it. That's the minimal API you'd need to do an allocator. What else would I want? Just be here. Just a second. Yeah, just a sec. Yeah, just a second. Just a second. Well, not pause. Or it shut up. I am back, and I will take another sip of my coffee. So anyways, where was I? Yeah, allocator stuff. So now we can basically just create our own we can now just use this. So like, oh, actually that's pretty special stuff, so that if I set like this to like standard allocator, and then this is just used, I guess. We could do that, but no. It's an interpreted language unless Mila becomes compiled, which I might actually plan. Who knows? But yeah, Mila right now is too dynamic to be compiled. I mean, look at that. I could go for like Python, but it's just gonna ignore the types. Literally, you can type anything in there. You can just put anything in there, and it would work. Just a second. Damn, this coffee is good. So, anyways, yeah. Oh yeah, we could just, since types are just strings, we can actually just do that. And then, oh, we could actually do that, but we could just ignore it for now. Just a second. So yeah, it's just parse string. I think it handles skip. It skip W, including parse number, so to speak. But yeah, yo, hello, welcome to the stream of a sleep-deprived programmer. Yeah, I did not expect much. I don't get a lot of viewers at this time. Well, at least Filipino viewers, because it's currently 3. It's look at the time. Look at the time. It's 3. It's about to be 4 a.m. in the Philippines. Yep, it's Linux. I don't want to brag. I don't want to flex, but it's Arch Linux. It's not as good as they say, especially if you're just gonna use it for casual stuff. PM. Oh, noon. Where are you from, if I may ask? So, wow, it's just silence. Anyways, where was I? Oh, US. Oh yeah, I remember watching someone's stream. The United States is so big that it has multiple time zones. I watched someone from from the more is it east or west? I think it was more east of the United States, because I was watching him, and it was around like what 12 p.m. for him as well, and it was like only 2, wait, actually 4, so actually much more western. My own programming language, and I'm debating myself if I should add type annotations. I don't know why I'm adding type annotations, but I don't. I'm on the edge of if I want the types to be checked. So if this is indeed a dictionary, and it's something. Anyway, let's add that. Not car. Oh, no, there. So before this, ident. Char s. So colon check. Yeah. I don't know. Incredibox. What is that? I have run out of coffee. I'm gonna make one in a bit. So, char star type is equal to parse string. What? Oh, it's a value. Okay, so it's a value. Value release type. So now it should actually support. Yep, there it is. Now, or we can just I've been hyperfixated. Oh, I see. Let me just increase the font size and probably there. Type. There we go. Oh, forget the new line. %s was declared with type ID, and that should work. And it let's see where heap buffer overflow 9. I'm pretty sure that should have worked. Why didn't it work? Let's see. It was in 620. Let's revisit that. Yep, I'm from the Philippines. What is this? Oh, because this was a string. Ah, got you. So if it was oh, because yeah, I forgot about this. It expects everything to be Naruto. Yeah, we just treat it as args count plus plus. Just print it as cast it as a string. Oh, no, not too much D programming in what now? This arithmetic pointer type is required. What? Huh? What? Yeah, that's clown. Oh, come on now. Why? What? Huh? What? Well, I can just do that and just let it be, and it still doesn't work. Why? Oh, thanks. Good luck in your activities. Where was I? I guess I should just. This doesn't. Well, just leave it be. I guess we need to go back. Where were we? Ah, there. So this. So I guess we just. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna get freed. Oh, damn it. I'm just gonna use printf and just. There we go. And just do that. There we go. T was declared with current. Yep. Good. That works. And it's meh. It's good enough for now. So that. Should we support type hints for setting stuff? I think no. Assignments shouldn't declare the type. So what now? So we do the type hint as a string because, well, stuff. Oh, that's nasty. Click. So anyways, stuff. I still like yes. let's ask ChatGPT for some random obscure languages. Where were we? Random. No. Languages that supports context-aware functions. Ow. Let me just be right back. It's getting hot inside the room, and I will now prepare my second cup of coffee. I like coffee. Even if I get a panic attack from too much coffee. Coffee makes me, I don't know how, makes me sleepy. That's the complete opposite of coffee for others. Coffee. Have the burn still stings. Anyways, let's see. JavaScript. Oh, that's just closure. See, oh, I just read it. Just answer this on the laptop. So dynamic. Ow! Oh, hell no! I just hit one of my burn marks on the table. Ah, that hurts. Why? What? I guess. Okay. Context objects, dependency injection. It's basically for every language that's supported. You just implicit. Scala does. Haskell. What also? What? Oh, sweet. Implicit users. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's that's basically the syntax I have over here. Oh, I just removed it. Let me just Control S. Contextuals. That my love. FM. Greet. Name. Then println name. Var name is equal to my name, and then go contextual name. Oh my goodness, let me fix this. Oh, damn it. The language server, we're gonna add contextual here. It's annoying me. Contextual. Thank you. Let me just nothing beats a good coffee. Warm coffee. Let me just restart. How do I restart? How to reload Sublime text without closing it. Wait, is there like something here? Reload. Nope. Revert file command. Control file. No. Reload the file. Okay. Yeah, let's try that. Control Shift P. So now does it support? Nope, it does not. Let me just close. Oh, wrong button. And then let's just start Sublime Text. That's not. Yeah, there we go. So now we just was it Control? Yeah, and then Shift is yeah. Oh, it's in the order of how you open it. Damn it. It's messed up. But at least we have, yep, we have that now. Where were we? Ah, yeah. So greet. That should work, hopefully. No, it does not. Body wasn't found. What? Was? Is it because of that? Probably. Ah, scheiße. That feels good. Oh, well, because we don't support. Ah, well, oh, where was I? Parse idents. There we go. Oh, scheiße. There we go. So, add another conditional. There. Just literally just add another conditional that allows it to. There you go. And is optional. There you go. So if it's optional, so not is optional, and it's probably gonna ask me about. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this just in case I do not trust operator precedence. So there we go. So if I don't provide this, I don't believe there's. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Ooh, that's a problem. In Viset local. It's in 2839. If a and not is optional. And that doesn't need to be, yeah. There you go. The problem is it's optional. What if I do this? No. What if I do this? Yeah, I think just that. The only problem is that becomes implicit, and when that becomes implicit, it defeats the purpose of declaring something contextual. It's fine. It's fine. It's no different from using a global variable, for God's sake. So, yep, there it is. It doesn't complain, but if it does that and we don't set it to be contextual, and then boom. And then if I add that, boom. That's cool. That's cool. That's actually cool. Oh, that's cool. If I explicitly provide. Oh, that's cool. If but that looks like an indexing now. Nah. Oh, it's 4:07 now. In the morning. Jesus Christ. My head does not feel good. And I'm almost done with the second cup of coffee that I have. How many people have seen this? It says 0 concurrent viewers. I'm just checking the stream. 7 views. What? There's 7 views. I cannot believe that. Anyways, back on track. Vladilina Merizu. Anyways, where was I? Yes, contextual stuff. Yeah. Nope, wrong button. It's a definite key, not the Since calling a index value actually looks like this. It needs to be wrapped in parentheses because it's just not handled. It's not handled in other like in other programming languages. And the problem is Mila is a one-pass interpreter, so it doesn't actually generate bytecode. How you see the code is how it sees the code. No, yes, even the comments. Ah, I'm streaming 4 o'clock in the morning. I have nothing else to do in my life, and I almost choked myself to death with this coffee. Anyways, where was I? Hey, contextual stuff. So let's see other. So, that's actually cool. Oh no, no, not that one. So, Scala looks promising. Implicit slash givens. What? Yeah. Whoa. What? What? Huh? So, okay, got you. So it does have given in using. Okay, it's cool. That's actually pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now your function depends on multiple contexts as values cleanly. Try doing that with roll not hitting the line. Implicit resolution to make great. Oh, great. Huh. Yeah, that's the syntax. Yeah, that's true. That's basically what this is. Glorified name binding. Extra steps. I don't know. Yep. Oh yeah, I forgot. I set ChatGPT to be that sarcastic tone, and I like it. It's just amusing. Anyways, yeah, yay, my own programming language. So basically, we're just doing what Scala did, huh? Without the using keyword. It's pretty promising, I guess. That is cool. But that would mean adding 2 more operators, but yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Memory wise, that's not pretty good. You'd run out of a kilobyte of. Who has a kilobyte of memory anyway? Even embedded circuits, embedded systems have like at least megabytes of memory. Mila can run in under 2, I believe, if we go release and wait for that. It's only using 2 megabytes, but if you it's only using 2 megabytes. The program itself is 100 kilobytes. The stack is 132. The data is 208 kilobytes, so that's still. And then the RAM, it's using 2 megabytes of. It's not that bad. And if we load stuff, oh yeah, I forgot. I have a really big sample, and it can run perfectly fine with like 1,000 food pellets. Yeah, that's very satisfying actually. I think someone is opening the gate. Who knows? Who cares? So anyways, yeah. There you go. That did not took long for me to reach 9,000 points. And I'm about to cross 10,000. Hello. It's 10,000. Anyways, enough. Go back to work. And by work, I mean slaving myself because I have nothing else to do for today because it's school, it's summer break. I'm the only person out there who hates summer break. I have nothing to do and this household is not entertaining to be inside of. So, what should we add? We have contextual stuff. So anyways, yep. I guess. Para para pa pa. I just just use the most recent set 1. It acts essentially just like normal variables. Yep. So anyways, where was I? Yay, we have contextual stuff. So this can actually be used for allocators and stuff. But I don't really know. Wait, actually that would be cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh. But no. I don't really know. Because if we do with expression as ID, I guess if we go contextual ID, that's just I apologize for that. I don't know what happened there. Let me just, oh my god, just a second. I am back after I just sneezed myself into awakening. The burn marks are darkening even more. Oh, it hurts, damn it. Anyways, yeah, if you just do this, that's the syntax basically. Or we could implicitly, nah, I don't want implicit stuff. I want explicit stuff. That's why I did this syntax anyway, so that if you see this, you know at least one of these functions are using that. Maybe if we go like that, then you'll have you'll have to explicitly give the list, the context, so you'll have to do that. I don't know. It could work, but no. Let me just a second. There's the thermometer that I've been looking for. I just sorry, I got distracted. My ADHD. Let's focus on the topic. So what else could I add? We already have this, and yes, that works. Of course, it works. I'm the greatest, second greatest programmer. Best programmer is Terry Davis. No one's gonna change my mind or anybody else's minds. Terry Davis was a legend. So anyways, yeah. Oh yeah, fun fact, integers in um, Maida are shared by reference ish. So if you define a variable, you define a variable as a number, and you can just set or declare another variable. So v2, wow, very original variable. Oh, that actually lines up. I like that. So now, if I go modify v2, it will modify the variable as well. Oh, as you can see, wrong file. As you get, it leaks memory. Oh, there we go. And it doesn't work. I missed. Did I? Oh, that's not supported syntax. That's gonna hang up there. So now, yep, it changed both the original because this doesn't copy this. It's this. Since every variable is a reference. So to actually copy this, you need to yes, you need to do that. As you can see, now it does not change the original. It's funky, but that's how it works. Oh yeah, and I have a huge flex over C, my beloved. It looks normal, and then when I add this, when I add that apostrophe or single quotes, look at that, we have the 1000 separator without needing to set the locals, without needing to my goodness, why is that even based on the locals? It's called the comma, the thousand. Wait. Man, sorry, printf. I think it was mentioned here. Oh wait, did I? Oh great. There we go. I think let me just here. You just there we go. Thousands operation. Oh yeah, there we go. Decimal combination is thousands. Oh, okay. I see. Doesn't actually specify what character it is that you separate it. Yes. But still, why is it based on locales? I'm gonna call it the comma the comma flag, comma thousand separator, because the comma thousands separator flag, because that's what I put it. It's consistent. It doesn't depend on the locals. It doesn't disappear because someone decided spaces look better. And unless you're printing a list, stop. Well, then I guess that would not look cool. So you know what? Let's do that. Separator. Separator. There it is. It works. So let me just there it is. to string fancy. Let me just there goes every pain in my. So let's see now. So we have float to string fancy and long to string fancy and new long to string fancy. So now we're just gonna copy all of this. Yeah, yep. Oh. And then do they all use insert commas? Oh, I see. Wo ist die theoretisier? Got you. Nah, I'm not gonna support any. Well, I don't think about. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Uh, 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 should I? Should I not? Who cares? Who cares? Yeah, that's what I've decided. Who cares? That's gonna look like that forever. It's bothering me. It's bothering me. It's bothering me a bit, but it's still understandable, I guess. Yeah, I don't. I called it a comma separator flag for a reason. So, anyways, yeah. You need to do +0 to avoid accidentally passing this variable as a reference. And yes, that also is the same for parameters. I know it's shitty, but it's yeah. Yeah. It's only for in place operators. So if you instead did um v2 plus 1, that explicitly generates a new value, so you don't need to do stuff. As you can see, it does not do anything. So anyways, back to contextual stuff. So if there's a question mark, it's now implicit. Get implicit. Boom. So if that prints both of my names, but if I comment this out, it works. But be careful now. What? Where did you pull this from? Certainly wasn't your ass. What? Where? What? Huh? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Of course that one. What else? There's no other definition. Anyways, let's see. So this. Uh-huh. So it cannot be. Yeah. Just silence it. And where did the stray name come from? The block. Yeah, look. You gotta be kidding me. Why? Ah, where was I anyway? Did I change anything there? Nope. Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, okay, so that was earlier. So why does that pull this when when it wasn't contextual? You. It's because of this. What? Oh, no. I didn't declare it to be contextual. So where did you pull that from? So if it does exist in a contextual sense and is not optional, which should have been 0. Whoa. Yeah, that's true. And then you set it to local, and then set local contextual. So this actually sets a... Actually, that's a very good poison. We don't do that. So, why? This is just implicit. Huh? That's just... Oh, it's confusing me. My head hurts. Oh, yeah. It's 4:30 in the morning. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Whatever should I do? It shouldn't run that. It's not contextual. Actually. What should I do? What should I ever do? I don't know. That should actually never happen, but it did happen, and I don't know why it's happening. And maybe this is just a fluke. No, it does. Yep, it's there. Yep, that's there. Wait. Okay. Okay. I want this. Okay. That's all vars. It's all vars. Yep, it's... Okay, so what's happening? I don't know what's happening. I'm going crazy. Must be. Should just go to that. Oh, it's weird that it happens. Print value. What if I do that? Surely won't do anything. That, and it's just the name. Wait, whoa, what? That shouldn't happen. But because it wasn't contextual. Whoa, hold on a minute. What? I am getting confused here. That's no. No. That's the... So this... Oh, this definitely got... Wait. Okay, so it does work. Okay, so those are different. Okay, so the problem is, why does that... Wow. Whoa. Whoa. I know that actually makes sense. Okay, that's cool. Why? Why? Just why? Why? I'm going crazy. Why is it pulling the name though? It's actually... It doesn't make sense. We have the frame there. Yeah. And... That's why this isn't reading from this. This was reading from this. Oh my goodness. That's Why would that work? Why would it work? Oh yeah, I can just remove this because there's nothing to play up. What the heck? Why? 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 Why would you do that? What? Now, okay, so now that should always be null, even if it has that. Why? I just explicitly told you if if it doesn't exist, and oh, forgot to remove that. Now it should be null. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. So that's the reason. Oh my goodness. How could I be so stupid? I am very stupido. Yeah. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Shenanigans, am I right? Shenanigans. That's what happens when things go unplanned. Shenanigans. Oh! That. Oh! Oh! That. Oh! How did I not think of that? How did I. Oh, oops. There you go. Yeah, there. So people have a use for this. So that they would need to, like, for example, there was a counter here. So, yay. Yeah. Oh. Okay, that's bad. Huh. I guess we need the global variable. How do we get the global though? There's no way to get a go. No, that's just bad. Or we could just store it. Yeah, we could just store it. But that would mean more memory per scope, which is bad. Yeah, here's we can't. Uh, 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 um, 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 how would we approach this? I mean, that would give us all of one access and also all of one read. I mean, write, but extra memory here, extra bookkeeping, if you will. But if we do a linear, it's O of n. Well, it's impossible with someone. It's impossible to have someone have thousands of scopes, right? Right? You're not sure, so we can't just waste memory because that's just extra 8 bytes that you have there. This will definitely be used a ton because, well, now we don't have access to the outside world. Oh. Aha! It needs to be contextual. Not print f, print ln. you need Oh my goodness, that just makes things wonderful. You need to oh my goodness. Well, I guess it works. But it works, doesn't it? So if I'm increment counter and go here and go counter. and just go set counter plus equal 1, and then we can just like have a counter here, increment counter, and then print ln counter. Oh, okay, that's bad. Wait, whoa, what? What? I did not. Oh. Wait, whoa. Whoa. You didn't just error out, what? What? So if it's not optional, and the context doesn't exist, error out. If the context does exist, but it's not optional, we set it. If the value doesn't exist and is optional, you set it to vnull, because this would have been, yeah. What the hell? Oh, great. What now? What? What the hell? Huh? Yeah, I know that's increment counter, but why is it, huh? Okay. It's definitely returning early. Okay, it's just outright refusing to run part of this part of the damn program. Oh my goodness. Why are you refusing to run? Oh my goodness, why won't you work? That should have worked. That's weird. That's very weird. And it's not running this. What? Excuse me? Huh? What if you just... that works, right? That works, but in here does not work. It doesn't even call the function. No. If I remove this function. Okay, so it did. Well, why is it not? Hello? Why are you not printing? What the hell? Is it? No, it cannot be. No. I just don't know if I just change. No. Oh, now you complain. What the hell? Whoa! What the hell? How does... What? Well, now will it work? Now it does work. What? What? Holy mother of hidden states. What? It it doesn't even run the function when there's... Okay, so... What the hell? Oh, what? Yeah, ah, ah. Did it try to return an error or something and didn't propagate? It should have propagated. It should have, but it didn't. But it didn't. But it didn't. Oh my goodness, my tons of accents. What? Am I missing something here? I'm probably missing something here because it's 4 a.m. and it's about 5 a.m. and I am planning to sleep. So this stream has been how long now? Yeah, chato. It's been 1 hour, 1 hour and 11 minutes. So anyways, let's go here. So anyways, let's review this. So we set that to 0. We check if it's optional. We strip the question mark, and then here we go get contextual. And then we check here if it's not optional and the value does not exist. Spit out the error. Hold on a second. Hold on. There's counter. There's still a counter. Yeah, I want to sleep. Oh my goodness, just a second. There you go. And it doesn't run anymore. Yeah, it doesn't run. What? So you print that, and look at that. Wow, bravo, bravo. What the hell? Don't tell me it's some weird... No, it's not some weird types stuff. It's just that way. Why? Why is it not triggering? Why is it... Oh my... Let me just... Let's see. Oh my goodness, that's odd. What? It's... what? So we don't handle this at all. So here, wait. Calls. fine. Huh. Okay, so there's some handling that's not happening. But that should. Oh my goodness! Ah. It should be propagated properly, but it doesn't. Ah. Ah. I know now. No, 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 that's still there. Oh, yeah. When it's in the last. Oh, you. Now it will error. No, not even. No, what? It will only error out because it was the last result, and then boom. What? I'm starting to hate this language more and more. And then I remember that I created this monstrosity. I created this monstrosity myself. Why does it work that way? Let's see. Wow. This control also. You know what? Stop. Holy, it does work. Okay. That was a bug. Wow. What a annoying bug. Oh. Oh my goodness. I have to also do that here for evil block roll. Where is this used anyway? Oh, it is used. Oh, yeah, it's used there. Stuff. So, without that, now we have to do this. And now we can do that. Oh my goodness, finally! Finally it works. It works. It works. Oh my goodness, it works. I am gonna have to do this now. It works. Oh, that could be something. Yeah, I don't think that would work. Oh, wait. Huh. Just a second. That would actually work. I'm not so sure though. It could work, and we could add closures again, but yeah, I don't think that would work. That could work, but that would not work. But that's great logic. Yeah, I really have to sleep soon. My body's giving up, and I have a ton of burns all over my arms. Anyways, it hurts when you touch it. But good thing you didn't blip. What is the word? blister. So anyways, yeah, contextual stuff. Yeah, I might end the stream right now. It's gonna be 5. And I'm gonna end it in a bit. How many views have I had? Absolutely no one. absolutely, absolutely no one. For the past hour, half hour. There was one, and there was two at some point. Missed views. Yep. Anyways, wow. Pretty lonely. What am I doing? Oh my goodness, that could work. That could work. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay, I am adding back closures into functions. I'm just way too bored, okay? I'm just way too bored, and I don't know. It's fun. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 bytes. Actually, this is gonna be 8. Wait, no, we're not sure. So this will be 8 bytes. Okay, so that's 32 bytes. We're gonna add another byte pointer to the environment, and we're gonna call it closure. And then we can actually free that one because, well, it will be whoopsie daisy. I am going crazy today because I am crazy. I'm going crazy. Oh my goodness. Function. Oh my goodness. FN. Keyword add. Sure. Let's do that for functions like that. So we're gonna get closures. So explicit closures. So what we're gonna do is yay. um yeah, we're just gonna do that. So we're gonna go fn counter var count is equal to 0. Then go fn fn count basically. So we're just gonna go return this count, and we just go set count plus 1. And since that's the last expression, that's actually gonna be the so we just go start. Let's go start here. If it isn't set, it's just gonna be 0. So we're gonna go var ct counter strike. Anyways, so now we can just call ct. So print ln ct, and that's gonna give us the incremented count. Actually, yeah, I believe. Okay. FN cannot be subscripted as it's no. Oh my goodness, I guess that cannot be done that way. I guess no, that will become I wonder. Yeah. Why won't it just work? Maybe I need to add damn it, I'm adding a new keyword. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Congratulations, I added a new keyword. Mind. No, wait. What? There. So, body was Whoa. 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 I just realized my mistake. It looks cool though, so I'm gonna do that. I think it should be after. Oh my goodness, where the hell did it go? Oh, there we go. So we're gonna move this. Oh, what the hell? What? I'm going crazy. There it is. So this goes after the context lists. So yeah, if the context was here, yeah, it would there. It would there. So now we go bind that, and now we're gonna implement this for. Oh, wait, are you there? There you go. And then we're gonna go. Oh, whoops! Find the other FN. There it is. So basically, we just poop, and then bam. Oh, okay. Yeah, contextuals after the after the contextuals. Paramnist won't exist. So basically, we just yeah. I think I need to go skip WS. No. We'll see. So hello? 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 Seriously? You've ahem. You see. It didn't even check. Wabba labba dub dub in my right trick. Oh, my goodness, I am going crazy. I'm going crazy. I don't know what I was. Why is it 0? Why is it 0? Why is it 0? Why? Why is it 0? Okay, anyways, let's keep ourselves together. I think. what was it? Would it work if I just okay, we're somewhere. We're getting somewhere from this eval statement. Oh yeah, it's the parameter list. Hello, what? Two 522. There's no parameter list. There's literally nothing in it. Are you cooked? Are you alright? What the hell is happening? Anyways, where was I? So expressions does not look good. So I guess we'll just bye bye. And we're gonna be adding closures again. So for now, you will be null. That's sad, right? So anyways, the function, this would have closure. So what will happen is that we're gonna basically have that. We're not gonna store that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go closures, actually, names, and then we're gonna go env star closure is equal to env new null. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go and get the names. So for int I is equal to 0, names I, and then plus I. We're gonna go env set local closure names I with env get names I. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, what? Oh. There you go. And then we're gonna, yeah, you have the closure anyway. So v function, oh yeah, right, you can just do that, and then here you can go env star closure, and then basically do this closure. Oh yeah, change that. And then in call function, and then to call function, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take fn val v.fn dot closure. Okay. Boom. Okay, so we're having memory leaks, but that's okay. That's because in val release, you just need to handle the closures. We made a different stuff now, so not, oh yeah, that's correct, env kill. So we would do the same thing. What the hell? env kill. That's basically what I'm doing here. And no, that causes stuff. You may need a function to be free. Scheiße. There we go. And then in here, just poop. Bam. Ow. Never mind. Let's see what's happening in menu. We just freed it. We just did. What's with the parameter list? I free them in both. Oh, because the, oh, I see now. That's in 2522. Oh, I mean in 4612. Go. So maybe because we have that, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go env free closure myla rel no free no actually what we need to do is just do this, just replace names with params and then free params and then free params itself. So now it should be, yep, quiet now. So why was the body not found? Because this did not do stuff as I did, which is a bummer. So what I'm gonna do is probably just do this. Yeah, I have a ton of stuff, so we're gonna do that now. Oh my goodness, that was a ton of stuff. Context list. Okay, so it worked. Holy shit, it did. So parse context list 258. Oh, it's the yeah. Got you know right? What? Huh? Oh, because of this. Then we just need to free the name after that. Oh my head feels heavy. So this is how it feels like. Yeah, just free names. Okay, so what else is this? Stir 2 in 1712. Why should I care? So for 620. No. For 680. I'm pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm not feeling. Well, it's the name, isn't it? Oh my god, I don't feel so good. Dang. Let's see. Where is it allocated? Set 1712. There goes my energy, huh? Try to set the name variable. Makes debugging easier. That's just the functions. Don't try to be clever. There you go. It works. We have closures. It works. Yeah. I am smart. I am smart as hell. It works. We have closures. Yes. And there's very weird syntax, but it works. It works. So if we start counting from 10, we should see 11. Yes, it works. It works. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna end the stream here now. Yeah. Yeah. It's stronger.